Higher Education, Its Problems and Remedial Measures. The present lecture has been prepared by Dr. Shokeen Bilal, who is currently working as an assistant professor in the discipline of education. Let me first shed light on major problems of higher education. Higher education in India faces several challenges and problems that hinder its effectiveness and quality. Some of the prominent issues include lack of access and inclusivity. Despite efforts to expand access, higher education in India still struggles to provide education to all segments of society, especially those from marginalized backgrounds and rural areas. Quality of education. The quality of education in many institutions is inconsistent and often falls short of international standards. Faculty shortage and quality. Many institutions face a shortage of qualified and experienced faculty members. This shortage affects the student-teacher ratio, teaching standards, and research output. 4. Outdated curriculum. The curriculum in some higher education institutions may not align with the rapidly evolving demands of industries and job markets. 5. Rote learning and lack of critical thinking. The emphasis on rote learning rather than critical thinking and problem-solving stifles creativity and innovation among students. 6. Funding challenges. Many public universities and colleges face financial constraints, leading to insufficient resources for research, infrastructure development, and faculty recruitment. 7. Research and innovation gap. Despite being a country with immense potential, India's research output and innovation remain relatively low compared to its population and resources. 8. Brain drain. Talented students often seek educational and career opportunities abroad due to perceived better quality of education and more attractive job prospects. 9. Bureaucratic hurdles. Administrative red tape and bureaucratic processes in academic institutions can hinder timely decision-making, implementation of reforms, and efficient functioning. 10. Gender disparities. Despite progress, gender disparities persist in higher education enrollment, especially in certain fields like science and technology. 11. Lack of industry-academia collaboration. Limited collaboration between academia and industry prevents students from gaining practical skills and real-world exposure. 12. Technological infrastructure. While technology can enhance learning, many institutions lack adequate technological infrastructure and resources to integrate digital tools effectively. Let me now discuss the remedial measures for higher education quality enhancement. Focus on improving the quality of education by updating curriculum, incorporating industry-relevant topics, and fostering critical thinking. Faculty development. Provide training and workshops for professors to enhance teaching methods, research skills, and their ability to engage students effectively. Infrastructure upgrades. Invest in modern facilities, libraries, laboratories, and technology to create an environment conducive to learning and research. Research opportunities. Encourage students and faculty to participate in research projects, fostering innovation and contributing to academic advancement. Industry collaboration. Establish partnerships with industries to bridge the gap between academia and real-world applications, enhancing employability. Skill development. Integrate skill-based courses to equip students with practical skills relevant to their chosen fields, enhancing job readiness. Student support services. Offer academic counseling, mentoring, and support to help students overcome challenges and excel in their studies. Online education. Develop robust online platforms for remote learning, providing access to quality education to a wider range of students. Interdisciplinary approach. Promote cross-disciplinary studies to encourage holistic learning and address complex real-world challenges. Transparent evaluation. Implement fair and transparent assessment systems to measure student progress accurately and fairly. Curriculum flexibility. Allow students to customize their courses based on their interests and career goals, promoting personalized learning paths. Research funding. Allocate resources for research grants and projects, encouraging faculty and students to contribute to academic knowledge. Collaboration with government. Work closely with government bodies to ensure policies and regulations support the growth and improvement of higher education. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shokeen Bilal.